I recently stayed at the Riveria Resort at Walt Disney World. I love this resort. It is so pretty. So I'm going to share with you my one-bedroom villa and also my dinner up at Topolino's. This is a wonderful restaurant with wonderful views. I hope you enjoy both. Thanks. The Riviera Resort is one of the Epcot area resorts, and it has a Skyliner stop, and it is right next door to Caribbean Beach. So there is a lot that you can see and do and access with the Skyliner to Epcot and to Hollywood Studios, and it's just a beautiful resort. Here is my room tour. I had a one-bedroom villa, room number 8125. This resort has only DVC type villas, though anybody can stay here whether you're DVC or not. Riviera Resort, room 8125. This is a one-bedroom villa. So as you walk in the door, you see right to the right, this can be a lock-off, which means that there can be a deluxe studio attached to it, and that would be the door. You have the living area, and then over to the left you have a bathroom and a couple of closets. So here as we walk into the living area, we have a full-size refrigerator, and you have a stove, microwave, and the cabinets. And in the cabinets, here you have pots and pans if you so desire to cook, which if you're here for a while and you have a family, does make some sense to have some meals, whether it be a breakfast or a lunch or something in the room. So you have plates and bowls. You also have a dishwasher, coffee maker. I like the tile. I like this. This is one of my favorite resorts. So, and then your garbage. Here you have a place for everybody to sit and eat. So that's really nice. And a little bit of the Riviera on the cushions. And then you have the living area with the pull-down Murphy bed. And that's a queen Murphy bed. So you have a couch, two chairs. I have the drapes closed to keep out the sun. So it's very nice. And then also here, you would also, underneath the TV, you also have another pull down bed. Oh, isn't that adorable? So that this can actually sleep 5. So here you have a patio because this is on the first floor. So you have entry to the patio from the living area as well as the bedroom area. Since this is first floor, you also basically just see the parking lot. You're not going to see Epcot or the Epcot Tower, and probably not the fireworks. But this is a standard view room. So that is the risk that you take, that you're on the first floor. It is convenient. You don't have to take the elevators to get to the Skyliner or the quick service or the pool or anything like that. So this is the bedroom, king bed, dresser, another TV. So there are 2 TVs. A little table and desk over there. Full-length mirror. I love when they have full-length mirrors. Huge closet with shelves. And then, of course, also your luggage rack. I find them very helpful. I don't like to totally unpack. I am live out of my suitcase for the most part type of a person. And then you have a little bit of a split bath, as here you have the sink with some cubbies. in this little section here. And one of those soaking tubs, if you so wish. I don't see jets, so I don't think it's a jetted. And then this other part has your shower with a seat and a rain head and a handle head. Very nice, very nice. You have a little cubby. You can put your soap or your shampoo or anything you may wish to use in here. You have your toilet, and then you have another sink here. And that's, of course, this way you have the two sinks if you have people staying in both rooms. And there's two doors here for those who are staying to have your privacy. There's a bunch of doors. There's actually 1, 2, 3 doors in this bathroom, so you can get some privacy. Coming back here to the entryway, on this side, the one closet holds your washer dryer. It's a stacked washer dryer, as well as your laundry basket that you can use while you're here. You'll find those in all DVC 1 bedrooms and above. And then this one is just an additional closet with plenty of hangers, the extra pillow and blanket for the other beds, and your ironing board. So that is a quick tour of the 1 bedroom villa, even here in the entryway. My suitcases are here, so forgive me. You have your an area where you can hang jackets or hats, and a little spot where you can put whatever you may need to as you come and go. So again, very nice. Here's one last view of the living area and kitchen. And again, that's a 1 bedroom villa DVC at the Riveria Resort. And here are a few still photos of that same room, 8125. I really enjoyed staying in this room. I was leery at first with the first floor, but I actually loved the location. So, and then just so you know, I'll be showing you something at the end. Now this part of the video is my dinner at Topolino's Terrace up on the 10th floor. Enjoy! Having dinner at Topolino's tonight. It's probably a little loud already, that you can tell. So this is the restaurant on the 10th floor of Riviera. And at dinner, there's no characters. At breakfast, they have the characters, and that's an amazing breakfast. I recommend that. Dinner's a little fancier, but it's beautiful up here. And they also have the terrace that you can look out on, and we'll do that later after dinner, maybe once the sun goes down just a little bit more. And I have a nice window seat. The sun is coming in through the windows, and the shades actually block it very well. So looking forward to my dinner. I'm getting a salad and then the filet mignon. They have a lot of wonderful options, especially for true foodies and people who like to try different things. As you guys know, that's not really me, but it's always a good meal. And they have nice drinks, a nice bar, nice wines, so you can come and enjoy yourself. So I'll take some pictures of my meal as it comes along, and then we'll share it. I'll share it, and we'll make a little video of this for you to enjoy. Because you know what? When you travel, make sure you just keep enjoying your life through that travel. And sometimes if that means going out for a nice dinner, go for it. So here is a view of the restaurant itself. It really is a pretty restaurant, especially in the daytime, because the windows just bring in so much light. Here is the drinks menu. I guess I do have to say I need to figure out how to better get photos and videos of these menus for everybody. But I'm still learning. If you have any tips, let me know. So I started off with the Alphonse Lamotte Chacure Rouge Pinot Noir from France. I'm sure I did not say that correctly, but it was awesome. I really, really enjoyed that wine. And then you got some bread to start. And then for my starter, I got the romaine ensalada, which basically was just a salad. It was a bit of a wedge of the romaine, and actually it was quite light and very, very enjoyable. The filet mignon was my entree. It came with broccolini and truffle pomme puree, which is basically mashed potatoes. And everything that I had at my dinner was absolutely delicious. There are so many things on this menu that I hear people rave about that they so enjoy. Unfortunately, I have to say most of those foods are not things that I actually enjoy eating. So I'm not able to give you a full review of all of the different options that you can have at this restaurant. But I will say, check it out because I do think you'll enjoy it. I did not have room for dessert at this time, so then I went outside to the terrace, which has some amazing views. Dinner was wonderful, absolutely wonderful. The wine that he recommended was delicious, and it went down so easily, it could be quite dangerous. But now I just took some pictures of the view here off of the terrace. It's actually quite a beautiful location, and I think they should utilize it a little bit more. You can get a drink at the bar, and then you can come out here and sit if you wish. But I think they're missing a little bit something and a little bit of use of this area. It might be nice to even just have a slight bar out here. But it's a beautiful terrace, and right now it's actually a beautiful night. So my dinner was delicious. Topolino's was wonderful. The salad and the filet mignon were amazing, as was the wine. My server, Steve, was terrific, and another great night. This is how you keep enjoying life through travel. Next time. I loved this painting up at the entrance of Topolino's, but they did not have this one for purchase. Not sure if you know, but in the gift shop of Topolino's, you can actually purchase artwork from the Riviera and from Disney, and then they can ship it to your home. Unfortunately, they didn't have this one, but they had quite a few that were really, really nice. And here's the surprise. Remember how I said earlier with the patio here, first floor, see the parking lot, probably really wouldn't see anything else, wouldn't see the Epcot ball or the fireworks? Well, guess what? You can see the Epcot fireworks from this room. Even on the first floor, I still had a wonderful view of the fireworks that I was able to watch them each of the nights that I was there. And I so enjoyed it. You cannot hear the music, but you can see the fireworks. Obviously not any low ones, but you can see ones that go up or in the sky. And it was so much fun. So that's how I'm going to end this video, sharing with all of you my fireworks views while I was staying at the Riviera in one-bedroom villa 8125. Enjoy, and as always, keep enjoying life through travel.